be successful in meditation or hypnotherapy, you'll need to learn to deal with distractions. There are 3 steps to learn so that your brain will be able to focus effectively. First, focus on your breath to get into a relaxed, tranquil, focused concentration, an altered state of awareness. Next, focus your awareness, or what you're thinking, on what you want for that session. It's called change work. At the session's end, focus your mind on your external environment, returning to full outer awareness. Here's how to deal with intrusive thoughts or random flooding of thoughts. Be aware that the more you practice this, the better you'll get. Be patient and kind with yourself. To let a thought go, say things to yourself in your mind, and then bring your attention back to the session. Also, be aware that these random thoughts may bring answers to problems you are trying to change. So what kind of things should you say to yourself? Something like, "It is what it is. Right now, it's like that." Or, see a thought bubble, just carrying the thoughts, floating away, out of sight. Or imagine a thought like a pebble on a beach, one of many you don't need to pay attention to. However, if the thought is something you need to come back to, see yourself putting the thought pebble in a jar and studying its meaning after the session. Other things that might come up while you're in meditation or hypnotherapy is physical pain. So what do you do with that? Say to yourself, "I feel you. Letting go now." Acknowledged and released. Letting go of pain now. Alternately, you can choose to feel it. You can go into the pain and see if it has a color or emotion attached to it. Now change the color or replace the emotion with a positive one. You can also imagine actually breathing oxygen into that area that hurts. It will help dissipate the pain. Pay attention to pain, though. It may be a message from your subconscious mind that says, pay attention to this place right here. Now let's talk about dealing with other emotions that may come up. They may or may not. If they do, you can say to yourself, breathing through it, and take a deep, slow breath. Or letting go. Or acknowledged and released. You may become aware of distractions or sounds in the background. This is not necessarily a problem. Coming in and out of focus on your external environment can lead you into deeper meditation or hypnotherapy. However, bring yourself back to the session by saying to yourself, "That's interesting," or "Noted," or label it and let it go, saying something like bird, dog, wind, airplane, car, and then again bring your focus back to the session. As you continue to practice these things, you will be able to focus your mind far more attentively. Enjoy it.